Annapolis market continues to be a strong market with a median sales price of $700,000. It's Friday, November 8th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. New construction homes will cost a buyer upwards of $600,000 for a two-bedroom condo, or upwards of $1 million for a townhouse. Annapolis Inventory for sale is at 160 homes. 21 properties are coming soon. 24 homes went under contract this past week. 21 homes sold in 9 days at 100% list to sold ratio. 18 homes have been removed from the market over the past month. These homes have been on the market for 108 median days. Rentals fell to 40 available at $3,025 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 8th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Stay safe. Take care.